best way to line your cake pans to avoid your cake getting stuck.
I've got here a cake tin. I've got here some kitchen towel, some flour that's separated. You can use cake flour and some.
All you need are two
First thing
simple
I've got to make
ingredients.
sure that the cake tin is
That's butter
clean.
and flour. Before you start, just clean up your cake pans to get rid of any residue. Once your cake pan is clean, you rub the butter in around. Try and get it into every corner, because anywhere you miss, your cake is gonna get stuck there.
Make sure that it touches reaching every corner.
You can use your fingers or a brush if that helps you to get into all the crevices. Into the tray and just shake it about. What you're trying to do here is everywhere you have placed the butter on, the flour is going to get stuck in the butter. Then once you've finished, you empty the excess flour out of the tin. Repeat the process for any other trays that you're going to be using to bake. I've got here an 8-inch square tin and a 10-inch square tin. Try to avoid using your fingers to smudge the cake tin, because when that happens, you taking out what you put there and the cake could get stuck in that position. Always leave it for 5 minutes to cool down before emptying the cake out. And you can see that the cake comes off the side. That's one of the signs that your cake is cooked properly. And you can see now that it comes out very clean. I know it's a little bit rough on the edges. Maybe that's where the butter and the flour didn't reach, but all the same, it's come out very clean. This works for me all the time. My cakes up until when This is the second one, the 8-inch one, and I'm just repeating the same process. You can see how easily it comes out of the cake tin. So when you use this process, I don't think you will need to use lining paper because it's so easy.